Hello guys! In today's video, I'm really excited because I'm going to be showing you guys this airbrush machine. This is like a fancy schmancy airbrush machine. My boyfriend got it for me for Christmas. It's so sweet. Thank you, babe. This is the Graftobian walk around professional airbrush system. I mean, look at it. Oh, I'm going to drop it. Clearly, I have been playing around with it a little bit. I'm really excited, so I want to go ahead and jump into it. I will tell you, the little gun, I had to like, excuse me, I had to put this little thing together. It's really easy. The little airbrush gun is inside of that clear thing. I don't know how well I'm describing this. And there's a adapter piece, this little guy right here, that screws into the bottom of your gun, and then the hose. So there's a little connector piece with a pressure knob on it. That is what's going to connect your gun and your hose. And then your gun can just sit in this little hole. The battery pack is right here. You can charge this up. It comes with a charger, or you can just use this with the battery, and all you do is... So it comes with 3 of these little guys, and this is 3 different like medium, light, and deep skin tones, and it comes with these little droppers. So you shake these guys up, and that is what we will put into our gun. It also comes with these concealers that match the foundations. It's nice too because the shade names are the same. So if you use Sunrise Flush, you'll be using Sunrise Flush with the concealers also. Foundation bottles are little sample versions, so they probably won't last me for very long, but it's nice that I'll be able to try them with this size. And then see if I like the formula of them too. Now when they've settled, it'll look like this. Looks really gross, but that's okay. It's water-based, so the heaviest ingredients, which is normally the colorants, are gonna be at the bottom, and you just mix it up really good. I'm gonna go into the shade Sunrise Flush. I do have some skincare on already. I've got some moisturizer on and also some serum. This is just the skincare that I use every morning, so we'll see how it works with my normal skincare. I'm scared. I feel like I'm gonna do this badly. I've done airbrush on other people, like I do airbrush on my clients a lot, but I've used the Tim 2 one, which is it's like you hold it, not a legit one like this. So I think I have tried something like this when I was younger. It was a way cheaper version. Definitely not as nice. So you just take the top off of your little gun. I love this thing so much. I feel like a real artist. And I'm gonna just drop a couple drops of the foundation. Now I want to attempt to do like a lighter application of this and see what it looks like when there's not a whole bunch of product, like when it's just a thin layer. You're just gonna pull the lever back, and then that will decipher how much foundation comes out. Okay, I wanted to show you guys what this looks like on the back camera of my phone. It is a matte finish for sure. I think it covered really well. But because I have drier skin, I do think that some of my skin texture shows a little bit more with a matte finish. And it makes me look like I'm a little older because it kind of emphasizes the lines. Like I can see that it's already emphasizing my smile line here, but not as much as it normally would. And it feels slightly tacky, but like it feels like it's set, like it's not gonna go anywhere. Okay, so when I just went over to the window and started looking at it, I think it's just better to not put a lot of product in areas where you get lines. I mean, I already knew that, so I'm not really blaming the machine for that. I think I used a little too much product around my mouth area, but I get lines no matter what. I do want to go a little bit more on my chin because this foundation is a little darker than my skin tone, because everything is. I am ghostly. I am going to take it around my mouth a little bit more and bring it down my neck. And I'm going to again mix Sunrise Flush and Buff. I'm gonna do it right here. I think my battery might be running out. Now the nice thing about this set is that not only does it come with the US power adapter, it also comes with the international power adapter. So if you're a traveling makeup artist and you're going to different countries to do shoots or whatever it is, you will be able to use this no matter what country you are in, which is very nice that things like that are taken care of, because little extra charges like getting different international adapters add up when you're a makeup artist. The end of it looks like one of those old laptop chargers, and what you insert it into looks like this. So this is my battery pack. I'm just gonna take it out and it slides up and removes pretty easily. I'll need to charge that. Luckily it does come with a little charging case too, and you can just sit the charger on top of it like the iPhone ones. But I'm now going to switch her, put her over here. Oh yeah. This cap is so secure, and it's a good thing and a bad thing because you can't get it off when you need to get it off. I have some more product in here, so I am going to use it. I don't want to waste it. Awesome. So I did 3 applications or 3 layers of the foundation, and now we have to immediately clean this out or your foundation is going to set inside here and it's not fun. Guess what, guys? They have some handy dandy cleaner for us too. This is the Graftobian Airbrush Cleansing Fluid. My light went off. Let me fix that. And the only ingredient in here is alcohol. So, I mean, you can literally just use rubbing alcohol, but I'm just gonna spray that in there. Put your little top back on. And then you can get a paper towel. You could get a rag, an old rag like I am. And you're gonna spray it out just like you would the foundation. But this is the next day. I do have the airbrush on again today. How do you guys like it? I actually really like it. I think the finish is really pretty. I did have to just do some highlighter for the shine on my face because it is a very, very matte foundation. When you crinkle your face, like, you have to be really gentle when you're applying the airbrush, because if you scrunch up your face, it will only go on top of the wrinkles and not inside of the wrinkles. So you have to kind of relax your face very still and easily, and you can't act like you're scared of the machine. You have to just act like you're going to sleep, and then it will give you a very beautiful application. I think this is gonna be great for makeup artists who, like I said, you know, you're going through a lot of faces, you don't wanna have to clean a whole bunch of brushes. It also makes it really easy to create very realistic looking skin that has a very even skin tone. So it's really nice for like weddings or special event things, I would say. Also, it is very long wearing and it doesn't look like you have a lot on your skin. Because it is such a matte finish, it's not like a matte finish that looks really heavy. It's a matte finish that is very thin. And I do actually really like the shade matches that come in there. It's really easy to find your shade because of the concealers. I also like that you're able to mix them to create your own shade. So you literally have like every single color already when you initially buy the kit, which is really nice because if you're a makeup artist, you know how expensive it can get buying all the different foundation and concealer tones and powders. I mean, it's just ridiculous. So this is a very good option for makeup artists that want to be able to have a full array of skin tones and colors, and you're also going to be able to work on all different kinds of skin types and skin textures because airbrush makeup practically covers up all of it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video today. Let me know if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Tell me if you have any other videos you'd like for me to make, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!